welcome back to your actual dystopian future. I'm Zoe Farmingdale, here to help you make sure quarantine isn't borantine. I like the word that I made, borantine, it's nice, and say it with me, borantine. By now, you're really living that #quarantine life. You've baked way more than you can eat, begrudgingly learned your way around multiple video chat apps, and now have a strong opinion one way or the other about Tiger King. But with quarantine deadlines extending in many places, your hope of ever again connecting with another living creature is rapidly dying. So, considering you won't be building any interpersonal relationships anytime soon, isn't it worth building a better relationship with your house? Or apartment? Or like a condo? Or what do people live in? Today's tip is to get cleaning. Though it can be difficult to see your space through the eyes of an outsider, if you take a good look around, you can find ways in which you, too, are disgusting. First up, let's check out your bedroom. Wow. Yikes. You sleep in there? Ugh. Let's clear off those cups, wrappers, and crusty dishes off your desk. Then we can sort the papers into 2 piles. Throw away and deal with later. See? Even in a pandemic, you can still procrastinate. Ugh. Take care of all the clothes piled on what used to be a chair, but be sure to smell them first. Woo! You probably should have done laundry weeks ago. Speaking of repugnant, be honest with yourself about how long it's been since you've changed your sheets. Look, if you're going to be sleeping alone every night, or next to someone you love and cherish but were not meant to be with 24 hours a day, every single day, at least you won't be sleeping in your own filth. Let's keep that tidy train going as we head into the kitchen. Do you have dishes piling up in the sink? Time to wash them. Are there crumbs covering every possible surface? Wipe them off. Did you just wipe them onto the floor? Sweep them up. Now, moving on to the fridge, locate the thick greenish-brown film coating the bottom and Mr. Clean the crap out of it. Scour the shelves for that vintage 2016 yogurt cup hiding away in the back and throw it in the trash. Come on, throw it away. Put it in the trash can. Put it in the trash can. Great job! Let's continue this Clorox cruise into the bathroom. Select a product from the overwhelming array of panic purchases you made and wipe down the counter, sink, faucet, and handles. Because the things you touch right before you wash off the germs are probably covered in germs. Crazy, right? No. Give that toilet brush a run for its money. Then spray down the rest to really get into those nooks and crannies and eradicate the final droplets of urine left by the last guy you dated who had impressively poor aim. And don't forget to disinfect the tub, because the fact is, everyone who's ever showered there has peed there too. Oh, that's not for touching. The bathroom is done, so step out of your ammonia hotbox and exhale the poison from your lungs. Then take a deep breath. What's that smell? That's the apartment smell that you've completely acclimated to, but that everyone else can detect. And it's off-putting. Try checking your pantry for moldy foods, or maybe take out the trash for once. Or, if the smell persists, you might need to invest in shampooing those carpets you hate so much. Or you might be in the rare but unfortunate circumstance of having a dead rodent lodged somewhere beneath a large appliance, rotting away. In which case, best of luck to you. That sounds like a living nightmare. There are, of course, many more layers of cleaning and tidying to do, and as a type A person, it's taking an enormous amount of restraint not to mention them all. But I won't. So get cleaning and transform your space into your favorite place to be. You might as well, because you can't go anywhere else. Remember, as individuals, it might not feel like much, but together, we're a quarantine.